Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my new and improved room tour. Basically, I just switched around like some of the furniture, like my bed and whatever. All the same stuff, but you know, better camera quality. Last one I did was 2015, and then my Christmas one in 2017, so it's been 2 years. And I just want to show you guys how it looks now, so let's just get into the video.
Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye.
Okay, I ended that clip kind of like harsh. I not really. It was just a little too much sass, and like I do have sass, but like I think it comes out too much sometimes. in my videos. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you stayed till the end, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in the future. And I will upload them on Mondays. That's my uploading day. It may not be every single week, but just know on a Monday I will have a video on a Monday. Okay, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next Smell Mondays video. Bye!